Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video game on YouTube, okay? Or rather, how to create a video game as a video that you can upload to your YouTube channel, okay? So I already designed it so it save us time because I don't want to bore you with the process here. So you can design it by yourself here, and then basically it's really just your imagination. So the important thing here is going to be the data or the script I'm going to share with you guys. So I designed this with Canva. I just click on create and then choose YouTube video template, and I designed it on my own. So for this one, just type in elements and then search for YouTube buttons, okay? Now, I'm gonna leave it as it is first. I'm gonna head on to ChatGPT, which is this one. This is the magic's where it's gonna happen. So the important thing here is make sure that you pause a video and copy this prompt. Okay? Make sure this is the exact thing you copy, and then just paste it on your video. Okay, so with this one, just type in or copy this. I'm gonna post it right there, and then just copy this one and paste it back to your ChatGPT. So you're gonna get this result, this table right here. This is the important part. Next is I'm gonna go back to Canva. Now I'm just gonna fix everything here. For example, the timing of each data. I can just reset it right there. Again, guys, it doesn't matter what I'm doing right here. You don't need to copy me to the T, because it's literally your limit is the imagination. So basically with this one, let's say it's finished, okay? I'm just gonna copy everything here, or rather I'm gonna go here first. This is much better. I'm gonna search on bulk create right there, enter data manually. Now I'm gonna click on add text, right? Before I click on add text, or rather clear table, I'm gonna clear a table. I'm gonna copy this one. So copy everything again. I'm gonna copy 1 to 50. Control C or click on copy and click on paste right here. You're gonna look for paste. Give it a second. Okay, it's actually loading right now because that's a lot of data to transfer. Let's wait for it for a few seconds. Okay, give me a second here. I'm just gonna clear that table. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna click this one and click on paste. I'm just gonna remove the column from this one. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I especially don't need that one. So I only have 3 columns right there. Click on done. And then as you can see right there, this should be transparent when you play the video. Okay? So for example, if you click on question right there and the next page of your video, you're gonna be good to render it. So after that one, you don't have to worry about anything else. Just click on download on the video and click on share. That's how you create a video game for your videos. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.